Okay, let's see. Total plans on molten. Let's watch molten. So 1 minute 2529. Well, bishop H2 there, look good. I'll play for a bind on D4 and stop bishop H6 at the same time, I think. Maybe G5 like G6, just to be really annoying. Okay. G4. It's tempting. Knight D4. I don't think there's anything else apart from G4. What about F6 actually? I think F6, trying to hold the fort for a sec. And bishop E6, Queen D7. Get more control of D5 here. I'm just going to play C4. I'm going to have to take that. Gives me F5 as well to play with. I've still got potential for bishop G4. Oh, H file. Whoa, he's lashing out a bit. Huh. Can I just castle? A quick way of getting my rook on the F file, which is quite good here, I think. And I'll get his rook away from F1. So I'll play Queen D7. I think he's giving me attacking lines as compensation for the piece. I hope. The knight F5 to D4. He plays C3. Play Rook F7. Bishop F5. I don't like this king on my thing. There's going to be a deflection of some. What if I just double rooks here for a sec? I'm hoping this isn't such a liability. Oh, it's bishop E7, almost an immediate liability. Okay, so it's sort of accidental. Okay, bishop F5 coming up very soon, like now, I think would be a good idea. Mind you, King G1. Get rid of this bishop or not? I think so. Then plough back into that F file, and F3 is a weakness. Queen G4 here. Is that an annoying move? Or just taking Queen G4? I think Queen G. I don't want to give him Rook G1 blasting down there, but F5 on the other hand is a pain. I can play Knight G6 as well. Takes Knight G6 as F5. Queen G4 is F5. Unless Knight takes F5 there. I think Knight takes F5 would be a shock to the system. It attacks that and F2. He plays Bishop E3 though, Rook H5. It looks dangerous for White's king. What's that? Just Queen E4? What am I talking about? That's just Queen E4 check. So Knight G6 here. Loads of pressure on F4. Right, he's dealing with that. Okay, I'll take on F4 here, or Knight G6. There's actually almost like Bishop D4, other stuff happening. I'm tempted just to take to release my bishop anyway. I'm going to take. Now maybe knight g6. So he plays f5. Okay, I've got bishop e5 minimum to get to his king. He blocks my rooks. I've got rook h7 coming as well. I think he's got a vacuum there around his king. So f5, bishop e5. Okay, so f5, bishop e5, rook g1. Oh, knight takes f4 looks good. Rook g3, I don't believe it. There's at least check, and then knight e2 check. Don't believe it. So knight e2 check here. There's rook f2, isn't that mate? Yep. Vacuum cleaner out for the vacuum. 2306, back into the 2300 club. It's been a few days. Oh, blimey. So he played a speculative piece sacrifice. Good on him. It was good courage for that, but thankfully, I nearly just blundered totally with rook f7. The intention of rook f7 was to double. It wasn't to protect here. So it's actually threatening bishop takes and king takes. I didn't realise that. So my intuition was telling me move the bishop, move the bishop. It's a tactical liability. As well as not having loose pieces, it's good not to have pieces just basically attacked, even if you think they're not loose, if they're protected. That connection, if that just breaks, it's an immediate disaster. So bishop g4 here or something, but no, rook f7 is actually a good move because it's protecting and it's going to be attacking, and that causes some of the vacuum, that f3, and now encouraging that even more. And now f5, that's queen e4. It's just too weak now, the position. Comment or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.